bakın. Oo, yarılmış. Oo, çok ikiye yarılmış gemi. İnanılmaz.
This just in. Extreme flooding and torrential rains have left utter devastation across Turkey over the last 2 days, submerging entire cities underwater. Homes and businesses lie in ruins beyond repair as rescue teams desperately race to save stranded residents before it's too late. This is a major natural disaster unfolding in real time right before our eyes. Turkey reels from some of the most extreme weather the region has ever seen. It started Friday evening in the province of Batman when skies opened up, unleashing severe flash flooding. By nightfall, emergency responders were already performing mass rescues, but no one predicted how much worse it was about to become. Within hours, the crisis blazed up the Black Sea coast, plunging several other provinces underwater by Saturday morning. It was an waking nightmare. Shocking videos show the sheer force of floodwaters rampaging through streets, swallowing vehicles and trapping terrified people on rooftops. Some areas now exceed 10 feet of water, with more rain still falling. Many towns have essentially become an extension of the sea. Even emergency crews are struggling to reach those in need.
Koşuya mı bırakıyor? Şöyle bonus. Değil mi lan o? Oğlum işte bunu Instagram'da görüyoruz da motivasyon videoları. Yağmurda koşuyor, pes etme. İşte onlar.
This was the scene last night in Batman as first responders desperately searched for survivors among the flooded wreckage rescue boats and rafts combing streets now resembling raging rivers. Just 12 hours prior, this was a thriving urban area. Today, it lies devastated beyond recognition. Incredibly, over 150 miles north, other cities face equal calamity. The port city of Zonguldak completely swallowed by the sea. Aerial footage reveals the staggering scale of destruction. Miles and miles of land, businesses, homes erased by the relentless floods. Some coastal areas have already seen over 7 inches of rain in under 24 hours. Hundreds more could still fall over the weekend. Rescuers race against time and tide as waves continue breaching seawalls, swallowing coastlines. Petrifying video shows massive trees crashing down on vehicles as howling winds and rain batter the region. These are hurricane-level conditions, and even worse is forecasted. The floods have halted all transportation, highways cut off, bridges collapsed, rail lines fully submerged. Schools have closed indefinitely across afflicted provinces. Power outages have also left over 85,000 people in the dark, a number rising by the minute. And yet, the storms show no mercy, with rainfall totals expected to nearly double by tomorrow morning, rapidly consuming more cities.
Çarşı merkez şu anda. Çok fena. Allah'ım dışarıda kalanlara yardımcı olsun. Belediyenin önü.
There's no doubt, these are Turkey's most damaging floods in recent memory. The true scale of loss still unknown. Entire communities now lie in utter waste, left to wonder where even to begin recovery. The road back will doubtless be long and agonizing, but today, search and rescue remains priority, one as emergency personnel work tirelessly to evacuate all those still trapped by raging waters. Every second counts. We'll keep monitoring this still unfolding catastrophe and provide updates as available. To all affected, you're in our thoughts. Please stay safe. And remember, your resilient spirit will help power through.